Right, breaking news coming in right now. Shraddha Kapoor has reached the NCB office where she would be, her questioning is going to start. She was supposed to reach at 12 o'clock. These are live visuals which we are getting from the NCB main office in Mumbai, where Shraddha Kapoor has in fact reached, and very soon her questioning is going to start. Remember, Shraddha Kapoor was supposed to reach at 10:30 a.m. She asked, she sought for some more time, and at 12 o'clock she has about, in fact, 11:47. She has finally managed to reach the NCB office. She was consulting her lawyers just before reaching the NCB office. Now, if you compare this with what you are seeing right now, Shraddha Kapoor, her name, in fact, came up when there were certain chats between Jaya Saha and Shraddha, and where Shraddha was in fact seen, or allegedly seen, asking for CBD oil. The allegation and of course the insinuation is that possibly CBD oil is legal, but does the NCB has more to confront Shraddha Kapoor with? Now, Shraddha was also the co-star of Sushant Singh Rajput in the movie Chichore, but let me also clarify for our viewers that possibly, at least at this point of time, of what we know from our sources in the NCB, there is not a direct Sushant Singh Rajput connection when it comes to Shraddha Kapoor. She is being questioned in the larger Bollywood drug net or the Bollywood drug consumption case that we are talking about. So Shraddha Kapoor has reached the NCB office. Let me just find out if I have my colleague Devesh with me. He is outside the NCB office where Shraddha Kapoor has reached. Devesh, over to you. Just give us viewers a sense of what is happening, the atmospherics, and Shraddha Kapoor, who has just reached the NCB office.
Yeah, Ankit, just a while ago, Shraddha Kapoor reached the Narcotics Control Bureau office. She's just entered the Narcotics Control Bureau office. It was 11:47 a.m. She was summoned. She was asked to reach the office by 11 a.m. But sources told us that she was consulting her lawyers through video conferencing for the last minute, till the last minute, before joining investigation, before she being questioned by the Narcotics Control Bureau regarding her chats with Jaya Saha, regarding statements of Riya Chakrabarti, regarding the statement of the boatman who have alleged that Shraddha did consume drugs at parties hosted by Sushant Singh Rajput at the Pavna farmhouse. So now she'll be grilled, she'll be questioned by the NCB Mumbai team headed by Samir Wankhede, who's the zonal director. Remember, Wankhede has been probing the Riya Chakrabarti case. It is in the Mumbai case that Riya Chakrabarti has been arrested. Shovik has been arrested, and in the same case, the ongoing probe, now Shraddha Kapoor has joined investigation. Very soon, as the formalities are completed, Kiran Babu, who's the investigating officer, along with Samir Wankhede, the zonal director, they would question Shraddha Kapoor. Sara Ali Khan is also expected, but she is yet to arrive. We are being told that she is sought time till 12:30 p.m. She is also consulting her lawyers at the last minute, preparing herself to face the NCB, which is going to grill her as per the statements provided by the board.
Of course, I mean, they would want to be at least aware of the process and the kind of questioning that they are going to face when they are confronted with the NCB team. So Shraddha Kapoor has already made it. I mean, 3 big names, of course, 4 big names from Bollywood. Deepika Padukone, the biggest one here, where at the NCB office where I am standing. Shraddha Kapoor has reached where Devesh, in fact, is right now. And Sara Ali Khan is expected to arrive in just a short while. Yesterday it was Rakul Preet, Munish Pandey also with me. Munish, but important to remind our viewers and also to understand is that there are questions being raised on how these WhatsApp chats have been accessed by the NCB. Questions also being raised whether these WhatsApp chats are going to be enough for any kind of substantial case against all these stars. Okay, I've just been informed that Munish's line has got disconnected. Let me just put that question to Devesh. Devesh, you and I have been speaking about it. I'm sure the NCB has much more up its sleeves than they are at least leaking out, or they are in fact giving to our colleagues. The sources are giving to our colleagues. But the fact is, they will need much more than the WhatsApp chats. These WhatsApp chats will have to be corroborated with much more substantive evidence for any of these stars to even be charged with.
Absolutely, absolutely, Ankit. These WhatsApp chats have just triggered the investigation. They've just started their probe on basis of this WhatsApp chat, but these are not evidence. Not a person can, no one can be charged on basis of a WhatsApp communication regarding banned drugs or regarding procurement of banned drugs. They will need testimonies. They'll have to, as you rightly pointed out, they will have to substantiate it with more corroborative evidence. Testimonies will need to be taken, their statements will need to be recorded, and also, other than that, if there's recovery of some drugs, then it will help them build a case. But on basis of WhatsApp chat, they have all the rights to question the suspects, question people, but a charge cannot be established on the basis of a WhatsApp chat. It can just trigger an investigation, probe can be launched, but only after their statements are recorded, only witness statements when they are recorded. All the people concerned, people present at the Coco Club party, people present at people who are present at the said party that happened in 2017, for which Deepika Padukone was talking about. People present at the Pavna farmhouse when Sara Ali Khan was present there with Sushant Singh Rajput. People who are eyewitnesses to the
Yes.
alleged alleged incident where drugs were consumed. People who were present at the same farmhouse when Shraddha Kapoor allegedly consumed drugs. So all this has to be corroborated only on basis of that.
That's right. So
a case could be registered.
it's not
against
going
them,
to be.
but that
It's not
too-
going to
that
be
too-
easy for the NCB as well, and they will. Yes, and Devil Devesh will have to be very, very careful in this entire matter now, because when big stars have been called, they will also have to justify, in fact, the entire case, the calling of the stars, the investigation, which leads to substantive possible arrest and, disruption of this Bollywood syndicate of drugs, which has been alleged. Now, just very quickly remind our viewers, what is it that Shraddha Kapoor, why did her name come into this entire mix? One, there was a WhatsApp chat with Jaya Saha in which she's speaking about CBD oil, and the other, as my colleagues were telling us, one statement of a boatman at Pavna Lake who has said that Shraddha Kapoor was also among the celebrities who used to come there and party with Sushant Singh Rajput, which according to him, there were drugs and alcohol involved. All that now needs to be corroborated.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.